Hi everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Funnest teacher, as I have completed 5th group of 42 letter sound. So in this video, we revise all the letters in fun way method. First revise all the letters, done. S, E, A, T, I, P, N, C, K. Make same sound. C soft k sound, K hard k sound. C, K, K, K. E, E, H, H, R, R, M, D, G, O, U, L, F, B, A, I makes the sound of long vowel A. J, O, A makes the sound of long vowel O. I, E makes the sound of long vowel I. E makes the sound of long vowel E. O, R makes the sound of or. E, or. E, or. Z, W, diagram N, G, ing, V, little u, long u. Now these are the pictures of 5th group. Z, W, diagram NG, ing, V, little u, long u. So now we will play an interesting game. We will place the pictures with related letter sound. Now this is watch. Watch. First letter W. So we will place here. Now this is violin. Violin. First letter V. So we will play here. Now this is zero. Zero. First letter Z. So we will place here. Now this is watermelon. Watermelon. Letter W. Now this is zebra. Zebra. First letter Z. We will place here. Now this is vase. Vase. First letter V. So we will place here. Now these are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. Vowels. First letter V. So we will place here. Now this is window. Window. First letter W. So we will place here. Now this is zip. Zip. First letter Z. So we will place here. Okay. Now we do worksheet. Now listen the words related to diagram NG sound. Ing. NG makes the sound of ing. Now words repeat after me. Ring. Ring. Now what are these? Wings. wa, in, s, wings. Wa, in, s, wings. This is king. K, in, king. K, in, king. This is swing. S, wa, in, swing. S, wa, in, swing. Now here are the pictures related to little oo sound, oo, and long oo sound, oo. You have to match these pictures with the word. Now this is foot. O, foot. Now where is foot? O, foot. So match with foot. Now this is broom. B, r, o, broom. B, r, o, broom. So match with this. Now this is hook. H, u, k, hook. H. Here is H. U, k, hook. So match with this. Now this is moon. U, moon. Ma. Ma. U, moon. So match with this. Now this is book. B, u, k, book. B, b, yeah. U, k, book. So match with this. Now this is spoon. Sp, u, spoon. Sp, u, spoon. So match with this. Now this is wood. V, u, d, wood. V, u, d, wood. So match with wood. Now this is boot. B, u, boot. B, u, boot. Okay. So watch this video again. This will really help you to understand the blending for a word. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. See you. Keep learning.